The goal for the second experiment is to see how beans grow, what direction and what it needs to survive.
Hi everyone, my name is Crystal from the group Chlorophyll, and today we will be doing a mung bean experiment. Basically, we will be planting the mung bean in the soil and pour some water in it and see how it grows. So, all the materials you will need is soil, mung beans, and water. Firstly, pour some water into the soil and dig a hole in the soil so you can put seeds in the hole. Then, put your plants in the sunlight and pour enough water to make it grow. I'm going to be checking the plant for every 24 hours, which is one day. It approximately takes 4 to 6 days for the plant to grow, but it could also take a week. I moved the plant to a better spot where there's better sunlight in case it doesn't grow. So
Hello everyone, my name is Cyril from Group Chlorophyll, and now I will be making the results of the experiment done by Crystal earlier into a drawing. From Crystal's experiment, we can put the results in a drawing. Here you can see the parts of the grown bean. It grew upright and its roots are in the soil. The leaves and other organs have also grown. This shows that when you grow a bean like this, which is with enough water and sunlight, the results of the bean will be like this after 7 days.
The conclusion is the beans grow upright and it takes a fair amount of time to grow. To survive, it needs enough water and a good place with enough sunlight. This can be seen as if the beans hadn't gotten this, it wouldn't have grown.